Lots of Cybercab news coming out. I was looking at this post here on X where someone actually crashed into a Cybercab. I just want to be sure it's not AI, so we're going to pull up here. Let's see. The post displays a photo of a beige Tesla Cybercab prototype. Community replies widely conclude the Cybercab was rear-ended by the human. I mean, that's clearly shown here, right? Like, look at this. What is this? Edit image. See, that's why we gotta look up this AI stuff, man. You gotta look up these stuff to make sure it's not AI. This guy was clearly rear-ended. Let me move my face. But if you can tell here, the rear end is just absolutely smashed in here. And that is indicative of a rear end. And it just got smashed in between these two vehicles here. So I don't think this is AI. Was the Ford driver drunk? Who knows? Poor golden cab. I agree. So, you know, you see these videos of Teslas crashing all the time, but the thing is, it's actually not the case. It's people trying to spread disinformation, and we don't like that around here. So you always want to check and see what is actually being said with the community notes. So make sure you're always doing that. This Tesla Cybercab did not crash. If you guys want to see more stuff like this about Tesla Cybercab and basically big time movers in technology and engineering and what that has to do with stock prices of these technologies, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day.